In this video, I will show you how to install Python into our system. So for that you have to open the Google Chrome or any browser, and here you have to write download Python, and here you see that there is a website www.python.org. So you have to click it, python.org, and here we see that download Python button 3.9.0. So you have to click it, and when we click it, the download will be automatically started. And you can also use different for OS. Suppose for Windows user, Windows, Linux user, Linux, Mac OS, and other system. So what we have to do, you have to click this Windows or Linux as per your OS. So here we also see that different type of releases version of Python. You can also download it from here, different type of version which is supported to into your OS. And you can also download use the pycharm ID. So you have to write pycharm, and after click it, so there is a website www.jetbrains.com. We have to click it. So you have to first enter the jetbrains.com pycharm, and here you have to click the download button to download the pycharm ID. It is an ID integration development environment for our code. You can download it from here and also from here. And after clicking the download, it will see there are different type of OS: Windows, Mac, and Linux. You have to click as per your OS requirement, and then you have to click the download community version, not this is a professional version and it is a paid version. And it will, if you download it, it will give you a trial some time, and after that it will not working, and you have to download the community version for development. So you have to click it and download the pycharm. So that's how you can install Python or pycharm ID into your system.